How to restart Samsung Galaxy Tab A90 Plus. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you'll learn how to restart your Samsung Galaxy Tab A90 Plus. Whether your tablet is unresponsive, running slowly, or you just wanna refresh it, this tutorial will guide you through both standard and forced restart methods. Let's get started. 1. Standard restart. First, let's look at the standard way to restart your tablet. Press and hold the power button located on the side of your device. After a few seconds, a menu will appear on the screen. Tap on Restart, then confirm by tapping Restart again. Your Galaxy Tab A90 Plus will now reboot. This method is useful for routine restarts and can help you resolve minor issues. 2. Force restart. If your tablet is frozen or unresponsive, a forced restart may be necessary. Simultaneously, press and hold the power button and the volume down button. Continue holding both buttons for about 7 to 10 seconds. Release the buttons when the screen turns off and the Samsung logo appears. Your device will now perform a forced restart. This process won't delete any data. It's a simple way to reboot your tablet when it's not responding. And that's how you restart your Samsung Galaxy Tab A90 Plus. Whether you're performing a standard restart or a forced restart, these methods can help keep your tablet running smoothly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give a like in the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.